Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Rahmah, علیہ. During his 2-year reign, he established justice and fairness to such an extent that even wolves began guarding flocks of sheep. During his caliphate, there was an incident involving 2 brothers who kept a flock of sheep. A wolf would come daily and take away a sheep or goat. However, when Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Rahmah, علیہ, reign began, the wolf changed its behavior and started protecting the flock. On the night of Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz's, Rahmah, علیہ, passing, the wolf returned and took a goat. The 2 Jewish brothers were astonished. They wondered why the wolf, which had protected their flock for 2 years, suddenly took a goat again. They concluded that something extraordinary must have happened. One of them said, "Brother, it seems our just king has passed away today. Otherwise the wolf would not have taken our goat." When morning came, the news of Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Rahmah Allah علیہ, death spread, and the brothers were convinced of their conclusion. Reflection: what happens to a nation or country when its rulers and officials abandon justice and fairness and become like wolves? When a person abandons justice and fairness, they are no longer human, but a wolf. Justice has such a profound effect that it forced a wild beast to abandon its predatory nature and become a protector of sheep. However, when the guardians of peace abandon justice, the effect will be that they will leave the path of peace and adopt the ways of wolves.